Hi guys, postman's bin. This should be a radio control car that I bought off eBay to replace the one I bought from B&M for my grandson, which didn't work. The car didn't bind to the controller, or the controller didn't bind to the car. This one is about the same price, but I think it's a lower quality car. We'll find out when we open it. Certainly it uses ordinary AA batteries instead of a rechargeable nickel metal hydride. And it's also listed as only doing 10 kilometers an hour. So that's going to be crawling along. But we'll have a look at it anyway. RC, 1/10 scale, 2.4 gig PVC car from wickedimports.co.uk. And this time I'm going to open it and try it before giving it to my grandson. I think I'll cut this off. I can put fresh tape over it then when we've finished looking at it. Okay, first look in the box. Pioneers Park. Functions: forward, backward, stop, turn left, turn right, cool light. Super racing, super world classic car, special designed and high speedy and world famous. Right. Okay. There's the box, controller up there, ages 6+, 2.4 gigahertz, WD toys, 1/10 scale, radio control, light, maximum speed 10 kilometers per hour. Well, to be fair, they are saying it up front on the box. But 10 kilometers is not very fast. Need 6 AA's in the car. Oh, it shows one there, lithium-ion battery included. Yeah, not in this one. Yeah, it's got a tick in that box for the battery one, no tick in that one for lithium-ion. But that does mean I could convert it quite easily. Use that type of tape that tears instead of coming off nicely. Lose my patience in a minute. Now can we get it open? Yes. Okay, looking good. Zip ties. Okay. There's our car. do that in a minute. Okay, so there's our car. Okay, nice thin lightweight body shell. That's actually relatively heavy. That's quite thick plastic. Got a lot of screws in this to get it apart. I'll get some batteries for it. We'll give it a run, and then I might take that off so we can see what sort of motor it's got inside it and how big the controller is, that sort of thing. Oh, and I'll undo that as well. Right. Oh, tyres. Pretty hard plastic. But then it is supposed to be a drift car, so it doesn't need grip. Right, there is a hole down there for the wires to come through if you wanted to swap that out for nickel metal hydride or lithium ion. And of course we could use 18500s, the LiPo lithium ion AA replacement, but remember that doubles the power. So this takes 6, we'd only need 3 to give us the power. Anyway, that looks nice. That looks like that is replaceable as a tray. I'll just check which ones I'm putting in. Right, 6 Duracells. Put that in there. A bit overcomplicated this, and it does mean you need to have a screwdriver to be able to change it. Oh, pretty coloured lights. Different colours. Oh, that's nice. Put this back on for now. We might take that off afterwards. We're doing it the right way round? Yeah, we are doing it the right way round. They look nice, but they're not a very good fit. adequate, I would say. Feels a bit sort of plasticky. I mean, it is plastic, but it feels plasticky. They're a bit low power, but they'll probably do for the controller for now. Yeah, that's a bit there. Doesn't feel nice at all. On. Whoa. Well, that's better than last time with the other one. Yeah, okay, well it looks like it'll work. I'll have a look on the floor. Cool, that's noisy steering. Yeah, that's steering. So yeah, it drifts in that it slides because it's got no grip. So we'll call that one a success. I preferred the other one, but yeah, we can drift a bit. And it's got flashy lights. Oh, we'll just go up into the dark a bit so we can see the flashy lights. Yeah, that works. Thanks for watching. If you want more information, check down below in the video description. If you like this video, you might like this one up here. And if you want to subscribe, you can check out my channel over here. Up here is my latest video on my channel, and down here is a video playlist associated with the video you've just watched. Thanks again for watching.